Question 4a. Given that f of x is equal to 4x minus 7 and g of x is 3x plus 1 over 2, determine the values of, alright, g of 0 plus g of 5. Remember, g of x has an x here, so g of 0 will have a 0 here. So first of all, g of 0 is equal to, let me first write g of x. Let me rewrite g of x. G of x is 3x plus 1 over 2. But then it says g of 0. So once it says g of 0, I will need to change this x to 0, and at the same time change this x to 0. But remember, it's not 30. 3x means 3 times x. It's just that you don't put the multiplication sign. So 3 of 0 means 3 times 0. Alright? Then g of 5. By the same argument, g of 5 would be what? 3 times, not x this time, but 5 plus 1 over 2. So that's g of 0 and g of 5. You see that? So here you would say 3 times 0 plus 1 over 2. 3 times 0 is what? 0. 0 plus 1 over 2 plus g of 5. 3 times 5 is what? 15. 15 plus 1 over 2. So in this case now, 0 plus 1 is just 1. So this is 1 over 2 plus 15 plus 1 is what? 16. Right? 16 over 2. So in this case, remember, this is 1/2 plus 16/2 gives you 17/2. Just add the 1 and the 16. So you're 17 over 2. 17/2. Right? So this is improper fraction. You can change it to mixed fraction by saying how many 2's are in 17? There are 8 2's in 17. Remaining 1. So it's 18.5. Alright? No, 8.5 I mean. So this is 8.5. Same thing as 17 over 2. Then it asks for fg of 5. Part 2 asks for fg of 5. Now, fg of 5. It means you're going to find g of 5 first. Well, you found g of 5 already. You know that g of 5 from the previous work was 16 over 2. You could have just written it as 8. We can write it as 8 here. 2 into 16 is 8. Now, that's g of 5. Now, f of that. So what you're really finding when you say f g of 5 is really f of 8, because g of 5 is 8. So it's f of all of this. So you're going to substitute 8 into f. So f g of 5 really turns out to be f of 8, which is, you're going to change x to 8. Now note is 4x. 4 times x minus 7. F of x is 4 by x minus 7. So f of 8 is 4 by 8 minus 7. You see that? So it's 4 8's 32 minus 7. So that gives you 32 minus 7. That's going to be, you drop 2, so it's like 30 minus 5, which is 25. So 32 minus 7, that's 25. So the answer for this part is 25. Then f inverse of 1. F inverse of 1. You're going to do an inverse function. So what you have is we're going to need more space. So let me erase the previous work. So in the meantime, remember, tell your friends about this website, mathematicsclass.org. Alright, so you have your CSEC.org. Don't forget your mathematicsclass.org as well. Alright, so let's continue. F inverse of 1. You have f of x is equal to 4x minus 7. Now, what you have, change this to y. Y is equal to 4x minus 7. Then interchange x and y. Change y to x. X is equal to 4 times. Change x to y. Y minus 7. Then you will make y the subject of the formula. You need to get rid of 7 and 4 to make y alone remain. Add 7 to both sides. So when you say x is equal to 4y minus 7, you say plus 7 on the left and plus 7 on the right and plus 7 on the left. Negative 7 plus 7, that's gone. It's not that you move 7 over and it becomes positive. No. You add 7 to both sides. So it's x plus 7 is equal to 4y. Alright? Then you need to get rid of the 4 to make y equal. So if you divide by 4, 4 cancels 4. If you divide by the right by 4, you must divide the left by 4 as well. So what you get here is that, let me just separate them and write over here, is that x plus 7 over 4 is equal to y. So y is equal to x plus 7 over 4. Now change this y to f inverse. So f inverse of x is equal to x plus 7 over 4. Now f inverse of 1. F inverse of 1, you change the x to 1. 1 plus 7 over 4, which is 7 on 1, 8 over 4, which is 2. So the answer for this is 2. Alright? So I'll move on to 4b later on. So remember, the website is mathematicsclass.org. So I'll see you later.